Stop creating giant charts for simple trends. It is messy and covers your data. Use Sparklines instead. Go to the trend column, type equals Sparkline, open parentheses, select the row with your monthly data, close parentheses, enter. Double-click to apply to all rows. Now look at the difference. Instead of boring numbers, you instantly see the story. This manager is growing fast. This one had a huge crash in March. And yes, it is dynamic. If I change this data point to 0, the line updates instantly. Subscribe to Sheets Logic to visualize your data.